Smells like a workshop.
Yeah, how they should smell. This bonnet he made out of carcass of a washing machine. Bent it all to shape and...
Really?
Well, perhaps this top bit, this bit here. This young guy built this whole thing himself.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's only... And it's just the most amazing thing to see it go ripping down the road. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Love it.
What was the original?
Model T Ford.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's got a Model A. No, it's got a Model T motor in it. Things like the side panels on here, they're made out of the bodywork of a washing machine.
Oh yeah?
You know, he's got electronic ignition in it. He's done some amazing stuff with it. All road legal. Goes like hell. Absolutely goes like hell. Blows me away how quick it is. Well, there's no weight.
No.
Good. Right up the road to work.
We like the other version that is
Yeah, we like that.
Virgin taking it there, though.
No, I think it's actually covered up with bullet holes.
Yeah.
Probably from those people that wanted him out of the way because it's too slow.
But
I'll
he
tell you what,
wasn't
it's
slow.
not
Remember
slow.
that guy that told him to get his piece of so-and-so off the road?
Oh, the young guy, yeah. He's got a...
Bro, no one else cares, eh? I don't think anyone else has seen it.
No, Mason saw it. It's cool.
Oh, bro.
Yo, it's got a wooden floor, bro. This is literally a tractor car, bro. Bro, you started with the little windy thing.
Awesome vintage car stuff.
Yeah, fucking nice. This thing's old.
Fucking wind
It's got a belt holding down the hood.
Oh, it doesn't have a starter motor. It's got a fucking
Crank start, bro.
What?
It's got a boss puppy stuck in the thing. Bro, I feel like it's been here for a bit.
I wonder it. Oh, is it? It is registered now. Someone owns it. Yeah. Whole system. What's he
I
got?
need to take a pic of
Has he
this
got
thing.
drummies all around? Look at the face. Bro, he's got... Oh, he's got the dash cam ready.
This exhaust system is pretty advanced, bro.
Mason, he's bottom with the thing. Look at that. He's onto it.
So cool.
Oh, I can't even see the motor.
That's a
yeah, bro.
big fucking gearbox. Look at it.
Back in my day, mate, these were fucking
Dude, it's lower than like the axle.
Yeah, that is
19
chungus, bro.
and it's a genuine shell
Bro,
as
has
well.
he got a... What's that second pipe that's just chilling there going nowhere?
Do you know what's
Wastegate, no.
It's not fiberglass, bro. It's metal.
So he's legit on the irritate.
It's real, bro. It's a real keeper.
You know what this is?
No idea.
Yeah, bro. I wonder if the flaps are for air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
Maybe.
I wonder what the horn sounds like. He's got an amp gauge and like a rev gauge. Is that like an ashtray as well, or is it like a fuse box thingy?
Wait, Dan, check out the gearbox
Oh, you can
underneath. It's
kind of see the
fucking
engine
sick.
from here.
Oh, like under here, bro. Massive.
Look at those.
It's a big
look at the
Bertha, bro.
bolts on the tranny, bro. Look how weird they are.
Dude.
You bottom out, you're hitting the tranny.
Look at this.
Yeah,
Oh, Boss Coffee.
Coffee, bro. That's JDM.
That's not Perry's, correct?
License to use motor vehicle expires fucking 1974. Okay, that's another one. That's another one.
That's a
Bit
lot
out
of
of date.
That's a lot of registration owing.
Look at this fucking windscreen thing, dude.
Do you need that?
God, that's like...
You need one on your fucking goggles, eh? Me and Dan will be sticking out like bloody.
Wait, that's how you use the wiper.
We'll be up here, Dan.
Oh, you have to do
Look
it
how you
like
use the wiper.
with your hand.
Yo!
Yeah.
Oh, he got water spots, man.
Your water spot.
Shit. Poor
Don't
dude.
you have to light these up, bro? It's like...
What, with a candle?
Yeah,
Do you
he
actually?
ripped that off a Skyline sunroof, bro.
No, that's off Ben's Subi.
Oh, Subi, yeah, that's right.
Ben, that's off your Subi, bro.
Looks pretty similar, to be honest, eh?
It's kind of cool.
That's me. It's got like wood all around the fucking seating. Fuzzy device. Oh, this is sick, man. I'm surprised it's not on wooden wheels. Wow. Let's give him a quick sticker. I think he won. Let's just slap it on, eh?
Definitely one.
The steering wheel looks like it's put on backwards. Am I tripping? No, it fully has been, eh? Look at the hydro handbrake, bro. Hydro handbrake. You'll be able to drift this.
Look at that.
It's pretty drift spec.
Is it a gas lift? That's a gas lift, bro.
Oh, is it actually?
Yeah. It's got a clutch.
You probably have to find it too.
Look at the clutch.
Oh, yeah. Does it have a handbrake or is it just like...
I wonder how much
Surely.
Probably like
Roll it?
I love this little like step little blocked off wastegate extension thing he's got under there. Like, what's he doing?
Oh no, it's just for sound, I think.
Huh?
It's to make it sound different. Like,
Yeah,
it's
it's
like
true.
weird, like,
Do you know what engine it is?
I was gonna say, what like a V8?
Lip chuck. That's the same belt my dad got whipped with in school.
You got nice and guys fucking on the Euro shit. Forward. Imagine it lowered imagine it lowered on work equip on one day. Oh, it's 5-star. 5-star. Get some wheels on it. Wheel. Fucking the wastegate.
Wait, it's not even been opened. Oh no, he fucking blew it back up.
He literally JB welded it back up. What a beast.
I'd like to meet the unit that's fucking built this. Oh, there's the other one. There's the other half. Found it.
Okay, start it.
It's been in a shootout, or something's exploded, right?
That's the gunshot.
Yeah. Is the car unlocked?
Oh, what, this one? I don't know, damn. I don't want to try. It might be a body in the back.
It's your beast? Your beast.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, were we trying to get one on?
Like this, look.
Antique, isn't it?
No way. He's keen to keep it authentic rather than painting it and doing it up. And